this video, I'm going to show you how to link a specific time on YouTube videos right from your phone. So open up your YouTube app and click into a video that you're wanting to share. Make sure that whenever you're on the video, pause it at the part where you are wanting to timestamp it. And then all you have to do is hit the share button. And you can see here in the top right corner, 0.15. That's 0.15 seconds. I just click on that and then send it however I want to send it. So I could copy the link. I could share it to WhatsApp. And whenever I open it up, it will start at 14 or 15 seconds. And that's all there is to it.